what's up everyone? Today we're going to cook a soup. So it's a veggie soup, kind of veggie soup. We only have vegetables nearby. Today, the first one is bok choy.
Bok choy,
กวางตุ้งน้ำมันหอย
Quảng Đông. Bok choy,
กวางตุ้ง
Quảng Đông. Bok choy.
And of course that is shiitake mushroom. Like the fresh one. I usually buy the dried one, but this one looks so happy and moisture. The last ingredient that I really like is the egg tofu. I love it so much. This one. Top notch. So soft. Tastes good. This is the first one. I'm gonna film another recipe, another menu, the next part. So let's get to the soup. Please listen to the sound. I don't know if you can hear it or not. So cut in half and then no, but I think it sounded like the mushroom in Minecraft. I think we are ready. Okay, we're going to add bok choy. Some MSG. Add a little bit of mushroom. Normally I would cut like this, but instead we're going to add a sprinkle of tofu. Doesn't look good, but I like the texture. Looks nice though. And lastly, spring some onion strings. And we're done.